As you can see, we've been busy, just getting ready to cut, knock out and cut the piece for the battery tray. There we go. So I'll draw that out, mark it out on the steel, and then cut it. I've already done that piece. There, that's ready to go on. I just clean edges up a bit, and then I can spot weld it from inside then. And then when I put the battery tray on, which goes the other side, I just spot weld it back in with the holes as with the support. So there, you see we're carrying on with it quite good. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, I'll put the piece out. I'm just tack welding it in, and then I'll finish welding around it. What I'll do, it being a battery tray, is I'll weld round all this, and then I'll weld round the inside where possible. But at the end of the day, the grinder is the cover up, so any weld shouldn't be seen. Underneath, it's not too much problem. It's easy to grind. Inside, it's different story, but it's going to be a long job rebuilding it, and you wouldn't think that a thing like this would be a 2-day job, but it'll never go anyway. But of course, you got to worry about this distortion. That's the thing. Well, I've got one down leg then. It's been enjoying it, so I don't weigh down my leg. Never mind, there we go. It's a long, long job. It all adds up, each little clock. It's all going for it, isn't it? And there we go. And some more. Sometimes, if enough weld runs into it, you can just leave a little bit of a rubber run inside. But no, I don't think you can. I think I'm going to have to go round inside. I don't know. It's going to be moving, isn't it?
Guys, get me that.
Can you?
From the oven.
Yeah, from the oven.
Okay. Have it sit up.
Yeah. Yep, they're getting a bit hot now, so we'll just a minute and get the old iron hair blower and we'll be cooling them off. It's all good stuff. Shot across the room. Cooling and twisting jar. So one when you got a piece like this, you can always get it on to grinder. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you with this. I'll get back when it's finished. See you in a bit. As you can see, I've cut out the rot. I'm going to make a strip to go in there and then another one to cover it like it were. The battery tray support, that's here under the wing, look. And that's how it looks. Ready to be a piece to be made to be welded in. So, there we are, look. I've got all the pieces ready for painting now. I've got the piece tacked in there, ready to weld up tomorrow. It's getting late now. I'm ready to thingy. You notice I've mashed off these. Well, that's where the weld through primers go. Didn't prime because if you leave them bare metal, they'll get rust in them. Same here on the edge, look, and there. So, yeah, tomorrow's another day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. See you later. Here we are underneath the inner wing. This is it. That is the piece put in from the under the inner wing. And this, that's got to be sprayed with the zinc primer, and that goes there like that, and it's plug welded through all the holes. So we'll get it sprayed up and then we'll have a look at the other side. Okay, see you in a minute. And this is the stage of it. I've just been welding up all the holes, the plug holes that I drilled out. They're ready for grinding down. I've made a piece that goes in that end there. That's going to be welded in. Yeah, this is what I've been using. Look on the other side, copper bar. Weld doesn't stick to it, but it forms a pore, so you sort of flat on the underside and most of your welds on the top. I've got that tacked in. As you can see, that support piece. I can't bang now because it's late, not feeling neighbours. So basically tomorrow I've got to tap that all in all the way around so that I can finish plug welding this side, look. I've done the bottom, so it's the top that's got to be tapped in. And then when that's done, it's sprayed with zinc primer, and this is the battery tray. It's been repaired, and it's been sprayed Rosso, and it's going back on, hence this and the tape. So that's where we are up to a minute. Anyway, another day tomorrow. I'll see you later. Battery tray is back in. The bottom's in. What's that? Yeah, there it is, look. That's the edge of it. Over. Have to do a bit of altering to make it fit. And so we've got to grind it down now flat and see what wants doing, but I've painted behind it. Save all the mess underneath the battery tray, inside of this bracket, and underneath on the chassis. Look, I've painted it so when we do spray the engine bay, it'll be good. So, see you in a bit. So there we are, the final battery tray is in, all welding done. It just wants a bit of dolly work on the top just to straighten the two panels out, and then that's it. That'll be done when we spray the engine bay and put it down what we call snagging. So there we go. So only thing to do now is say thanks for watching and see you later. Look out for episode 16. Who knows what's going to come up on that. See you later.